Hi, bonjour, hola. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm just doing the intro without my glasses because I have the ring light on. The light hits on my lens, the glasses lens, and then you just have like this circle there. And then I have this window open just for extra light, so I don't really like that. I will be doing the intro without my glasses. If you haven't noticed by the title, today's video is a customize my Mac with me. You know, like get ready with me. This is a customize my MacBook with me. I got a MacBook Pro. I don't know what model or whatever this is. It's not the 2021. This MacBook was my sister's, so it's like second hand, but it's still in pretty good shape. I'll try and film it so just y'all can see it. It's pretty good, you know, like she took great care of it. It just wasn't, you know, working the way she wanted it to, so she bought a MacBook Air, so I got this one. I was gonna get a Huawei hybrid whatever computer. I'll put an image of it. It's not a bad computer. It like flips and it has a pen, and I really am into drawing, so that was the one I wanted just because it was really good. I could like use it to edit and to draw because I'm getting back to it, but it didn't have much space, like, and since I have to edit videos, I needed a computer that had a good like capacity. Like it had to be able to have a lot of videos in it and a editing software, so that's just why I ended up with this one. And honestly, it's better. I mean, it's a MacBook, like it's a MacBook, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't want to keep y'all here for too long. I'm gonna be watching, I already watched it, but I didn't really watch till the end because I was lazy. I'm gonna be following Julia K. Christ's tutorial on how to customize the MacBook. Like all the other videos are basically imitating hers, so I might as well just watch the original, and it's the first one that appears like when you search it. So I'm just gonna change the camera angle so y'all can see the computer, and I'm gonna put my glasses back on. First things first, I just want to say that my room is very messy, and like I'm trying to find an angle to put the phone so that I can film the computer. So like part of the floor or like my bed will appear, and it's very messy. Don't expect anything like super tidy because that's just not how my room looks normally, and that's how it won't look today either because I won't clean it just for video. I'm sorry. So what you will see, it's the truth, you know? It's the reality. I'm not lying to you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna watch the video and you'll just see me watching the video. You know, this is gonna kind of be vlog style. So if you don't really like vloggy videos, you can click out. Totally fine. Okay, so I haven't watched the whole video, but I'm just gonna do this in like sections. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sticky notes. Yeah, is this angle good? Wait a sec. Okay, so this is her video, and now I'm gonna do the sticky note hack. So basically you come to the launch pad and then you just look for notes or sticky notes, stickies, I don't know, man. Aha, stickies, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's here. I'm gonna open it, and then you can change the color for whatever you want. I really like gray, but like I'm feeling a little more colorful maybe. But I'm also gonna change the background, the screensaver. Yeah, so I'll change it to gray or yellow because it matches the images that I'll be using for it. Oh, I took it out. Wait, come on, man. Okay, if you go to file, you can actually make a new note, so it's fine. You click here for it to like disappear or whatever. I don't know what I'll do here. I don't think I'll be using sticky notes, but it was like the first topic she talked about, so maybe like to-do list. It'd be cute. Okay, I'll make a to-do list. What do I have to do today? Today I had to film this video. So film Mac customization video. And I'll just use an emoji, you know, like that check emoji to check whatever I do. So this is a bit boring, I'm sorry, but I'll just, you know, put this fast so you don't have to like see me just do this boring stuff. Okay, next is hot corners. So basically, hey y'all, I'm so sorry, but like from now on it'll just be this music in the background because my sister was jamming while cleaning, I guess, and I'm really sorry. It's really annoying, but I can't remove that. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video though. It's when you like put the rat in a corner. The rat, you know, this, the thingy, yeah, in a corner, it like gives you a different thing, the screensaver or the analog clock. So what I'm gonna do first is download the analog clock, and then I'll just edit a screensaver at the collage on my phone so that I can put it here. You guys will see later. I'll just keep watching for now. Okay, so this is quite easy, and then you just choose which hot corner you want it on. So like hot corners is here, and then you just choose which one. Start the screensaver, which is this clock. I think it's done. Okay, wait. Okay. I did it, it's right here. Oh my god, I did it. And then you just take it out and it's gone, and it'll start after 20 minutes. So like if you're watching Netflix and then 20 minutes pass and you don't touch or like you don't do anything, it'll just start automatically. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, what's that noise? Anyways, so yeah, one down, one hot corner down. and let's see what's next. Okay, so this next thing she's about to show is like changing the folders icons. Let me show y'all. New folder. Okay, so the folders are always like this. They always have this blue thingy. Can you see? You can, right? Yeah. So she's gonna teach us how to like change this into whatever image you want it to be. I still don't know what I want it to be though. Maybe just a basic black star. I'll just look for a PNG image and try and put it there. Okay, now I'm gonna change the folders images like thingy. I don't really put my folders like here, you know. I just keep them in the finder, in the documents, like, because I don't really like anything here. But if I ever do that, I'll just change it. But I'll just do it for the sake of the video and to try it. I'm really curious. There's 2 ways to do it. One of them doesn't work for her, but I'll see if it works.